Hi everyone, it's 21st of March 2021 and let's have a look at the charts. We'll start with Bitcoin first. In the last couple of days it refused to close above 6,000. As you can see from these wicks, it had quite a bit of a pullback. Today it had a even bigger pullback up into 55k. However, since this morning, it has returned back to 57,000. So as it stands, I think that Bitcoin is on the is in neutral type position. It's not bearish, not bullish. Um, it's not. It hasn't closed above this high and also this little support zone. So for now, it's looking at the daily. It seems like it's in a neutral zone. If I just go to 4 hour and intraday, it looks like Bitcoin is potentially developing this symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle is likely to break in the direction of the prior trend. So if this was the uptrend, then it's likely to go up. It will all depend on the break. We'll have to see, and it's also the 4 hour. So we had one rejection, two, three, and hopefully on the next one it goes up. But at the moment for me it's really in a neutral zone, so nothing much to say about Bitcoin. Let's have a look at other charts. Doge still ranging, nothing there. VT, I spoke about VT in the last couple of streams, videos. So for me, this was a critical area to break. He has broken it, and ever since then he retested it twice, almost the third time, and then from then onwards it's trending now upwards. Zilliqa is still ranging. ETH, no, nothing to say there. Dot had this bull flag. It broke above the bull flag, and hopefully looking for an uptrend move potential, for it to start its uptrend development. Normally after this breaks the bull trend, the price has to move upwards quickly. If it doesn't, sort of in the next day or so, I will be reducing my stops, bringing it way lower, way higher. Yeah. Sushi, nothing here. It's taking way too longer than expected. It's not normally a good sign. We'll give it a couple of days. We'll see what's going on. Uni had a big day a couple of days ago. Ever since then, not much follow up. Been over BTC, Kava, yeah. So want to look at Kava. The head and shoulder setup hasn't broken it yet. KSM is rallying. Had the head and shoulders and it's just rallying. So this is what we're looking for other potential altcoins that has this head and shoulder setup. This is the type of chart that we're hoping that you'll produce. OGN, yep, head and shoulders, but so far just consolidating, nothing much. I'm in this trade. Yesterday it closed below the line. Today it went above it. Hoping for a continuation to the trend. If not, I'll be reducing my stops for this trade as well. So there's a couple of trades I'm in right now at the moment. I'm in DOT one. I'm in BAT. BAT is doing okay. Pulled back. We had about 5% move today. BAT is doing decent. So this was a potential bull flag. I'm hoping for it to resume the trend. BAL, yep, it broke yesterday my resistance zone. So far it has retested it, but I'm not on this trade. Sol is having a bull flag, nothing yet. BNB still ranging, nothing yet here. FIL, FIL had a cup and handle, broke it, consolidating. If I look at intraday, yeah, potentially developing a symmetrical triangle. Let's see. Yeah, kind of. Not a good one, but symmetrical triangle. RVN ranging, and yeah, this is the last trade I'm in. RSR BTC. We had this head and shoulder, so shoulder, head, shoulder. Uh, broke this, broke the highs, and I've entered the trade. So far it's doing okay. We'll see where that takes us. But yeah, that's it for me. Do you want to add anything to this?
Yeah, so most of these things that you looked at, they got like, is it the inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern?
Yeah. The inverse head and shoulder reversal pattern, potentially bottoming patterns. So if I just look at one that's developed well, the VET, yeah. So VET is done quite well. There's potential bottoming pattern, and then what we're looking for is just looking for it to trend upwards, hopefully hitting this zone between 10 and 20 period moving average. On the way back, just pulling back and going up, pulling back and going up, and then just uptrending. But this is the trade that I haven't entered. I've already been in quite a few trades, so I'm not on this trade. There was one more I think that's developed very well. Yes, it's the KSM one. KSM one. This is looking like really good. So you can see the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Right shoulder is significantly higher than the left shoulder, but the resistance zone is very clear. As you look at the resistance zone, is where the price has been respected the most, and for me, this is the zone that's been respected the most. Then you can see a clear breakout from it. So as soon as it broke out, it just started trending upwards. So yeah, when it comes to like head and shoulders, this is the type of pattern. When I'm entering the trade, this is what I'm hoping for. It will produce. But yeah,
And out of the one, out of the ones on your list at the moment, the ones that have potential to make these kind of patterns at the moment, BAL,
BAL,
and
yeah. Okay.
Kava.
I'll go through it. Yes. So this is in development, and BAL is in development as well. Yeah.
So those ones you're going to keep an eye on
Yeah.
to,
To see. Yep. Exactly. To see
yeah.
how
So
what
potentially
they'll do.
they can follow this. So obviously, what we're looking at the moment is for them to follow the same pattern that VET done, for example, or BAT,
Yeah.
even or even one.
This is a better example. One hasn't
Oh
really
yeah.
hasn't done much. Like it closed yesterday below my support zone. Today I'm hoping for it to go up. If anything, I'll be reducing my stops. This should have a better follow up. So one hasn't been as promising. Um, but yeah, it's the KSM one. This is the trade that's really uh, has paid off for whoever has entered this trade. But obviously, but we enter the trade. We don't know what's going on. The market will decide at the end what it will do. Sometimes you win a trade and sometimes you lose. But it's important to when you enter the trade, you have your risk reward. You have a higher reward than your risk. So if you win in trades 50-50, which are some of the best traders in the world, that's their percentage of winning. It's about 50-50. You want to win larger than you lose. But yeah,
Okay, cool.
okay, cool. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you some other time. Cheers. Bye.
Thank you.